everyone, I'm Suzanne from Hertfordshire Family Centre Service. Today I've got another story for you that has lots of words that sound the same. Today I've got fat cat on a mat. Look, fat cat mat. They all sound very much alike, don't they? And this is by Phil Roxburgh Cox and Stephen Cartwell again. How lovely. Shall we see what this cat's up to? Let's have a look then. And we'll see if we can find any words that sound the same in our story. I think there's lots. So he said, this is Fat Cat. Look, what colour is Fat Cat? That's right. He's black and he's white. And look, he's fast asleep. Fat Cat sees a bee. No, he's opened one eye. Fat Cat flees up a tree. I don't like bees, yelps Fat Cat. Can you see him? He's running up the tree. Oh look, there's Pig. Right. I don't like bees and I don't like trees. I don't like bees or trees. Are you stuck? Shouts Big Pig. Bad luck, shouts Big Pig. Look, can you see Big Pig at the bottom of the tree? And look, Fat Cat, he's stuck right at the top of the tree. Oh gosh, let's hope he's not stuck really. Fat Cat groans. I am stuck. It's bad luck, she moans. And all of a sudden, the tree bends. Can you see the nest at the end of the tree? And the nest drops off the ends. Look, it's falling all the way down. Oh no. The nest drops with a plop on top of Big Pig. Like my new hat, Fat Cat. Oh. But it's not really a hat, is it? Can you see? It's the nest. It's on top of his head. Good catch, yelps Fat Cat. Fat Cat lands on a sandy patch. I must help the eggs to hatch. I wonder how the Fat Cat's going to do that. What do you think they should do with them? Next day, oh look, Fat Cat will not play. Play with me, said Big Pig. Not today, said Fat Cat, who is on her mat. Look, can you see Fat Cat on her mat? Oh. Pig wants to play, but Fat Cat won't. Bake a cake with me, says Jake Snake. Look, he's got a spoon and a bowl and he's got his apron on. Not today, said Fat Cat on her mat. Let's run in the sun for fun, says Ted. Not today, said Fat Cat, who's on her mat. Oh. Oh, you are lazy, says Big Pig. You are crazy, says Jake Snake. You're no fun, says Ted. Shh, says Fat Cat. Stay away, said Fat Cat. Look, can you see? They just want to play, but Fat Cat's not moving. She's not going anywhere. all of a sudden, she hops off her mat. It's the eggs from the nest, says Big Pig. See, the chicks hatch. Look, can you see? Clever fat cat. There she is. Look, can you see? Should we count how many chicks she's got? She's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wow. So what she did is she laid on the eggs to keep them nice and warm so that they would hatch. That's what mummy chicks do. Hens, they lay on their eggs and keep them nice and warm until the babies are ready to come out. How fantastic. I hope you enjoyed that, cat. And there was lots of words in there that sounded the same, wasn't there? Like fat cat, mat. And what else did we have? We had new hat, fat cat. And what did can you remember? Bake a cake, says Jake the snake. And run in the sun for fun, said Ted. Oh, wow. So lots and lots of words that sound the same again. How fabulous. I hope you enjoyed that, Matt. Okay. Anyway, I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.